Are you that obsessed with snoring too?
No, I just said, do you remember being woken up? Because I thought that I couldn't really hear you, but you sleep very deeply.
Yeah, well,
because they couldn't wake you. They were like trying to wake you, and finally they were like, Janice, and of course it startled you, and I thought, I don't think I'd want to be woken that way.
No, why did he wake me anyway? I think that's all so rude. You know, people talk all night long. Do I say anything?
Right, I know.
You know, but she...
Doctor, are we quite Hollywood this morning?
Yeah.
No.
I like it. It's kind of got a Hefner feel to it, doesn't it?
Richie, by my bed there's a pack of smokes. Do you mind grabbing it?
Go where? Sorry?
You're the best. Listen.
What, do I need to get out? I don't know, Chris. What?
I don't know.
Why would Richie grab my cigarettes? Richie, grab my cigarettes.
Do you want me to grab your cigarettes?
Run. It's something to do.
Yeah.
Thanks, Richie.
You're helping him.
I don't want that. Huh?
You're helping him. I know, but there's a license.
You said I could boss him around.
Mm-hmm.
You said boss him around. He likes it.
Because it's fabulous.
Sit, Richie.
So submissive. Okay, cool.